We guide you through how to find a viral Twitter X threads quickly. So the first thing you need to do is to open X and go to the search bar, then type keywords like how to, tips, or your niche topic, and immediately filter results by latest to see fresh posts. Next, look for tweets with unusual high engagement, likes, reposts, and replies compared to accounts' follower counts, because that's a clear sign of virality. Then, tap on those tweets and scroll the replies, since viral threads often have hidden continuation tweets or related thread chain from other creators. After that, use X advanced search by entering keyword plus mean underscore faves 1000 or higher to instantly surface high performing threads. Also, check curated accounts that repost viral content and observe repeating topics across multiple viral threads to spot patterns. And finally, save or bookmark the threads you find so you can analyze structure, hook, and storytelling style later.